Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, videos GK questions on defense Indian armed force for all competitive exams. We got first question. From which of the following countries has Indian purchased the Pilatus PC-7 trainer aircrafts? Option A, United States of America. Option B, France. Option C, Switzerland. Option D, Germany. So answer option C, Switzerland. Next question. Admiral Gorshkov, the Soviet aircraft carrier imported by India, is now named option A INS Vikrant, option B INS Vikramaditya, option C INS Virat, option D INS Vishal. This question answer is option B INS Vikramaditya. Next question, which of the following organizations has Sarvatra Sarvottam Suraksha as its slogan? Option A Border Security Force, option B Sikh Light Infantry, option C Indian Air Force, option D National Security Guard. Answer is option D National Security Guard. Next, at which of the following places is the heavy vehicle factory located? Option A Kanpur, option B Kodki, option C Avadi, option D 24 Paragons. Answer option C Avadi in Chennai. Next question, at which of the following places has the second Officers Training Academy for training army officers been established? Option A Pune, option B Jabalpur, option C Sikandarabad, option D Gaya. So answer is option D Gaya. Next question, which of the following is the air-to-air refueller of the India Air Force? Option A C-17 Globemaster, option B Illusion 76, option C Illusion 78, option D C-130J Hercules. Answer option C Illusion 78. Next question, which of the following is India's first indigenously developed nuclear powered submarine? Option A INS Vikrant, option B INS Trikant, option C INS Arihant, option D INS Sindhu Rakshak. So answer option C INS Arihant. Next question, who of the following is the only Chief of Air Staff to be given the rank of Marshal of the Indian Air Force? Option A Arjun Singh, option B Subrat Mukherjee, option C PC Lal, option D OP Mehra. So answer Arjun Singh. Next question, with which of the following countries does India conduct the Indra series of exercises? Option A Russia, option B France, option C Singapore, option D Israel, option A Russia. Answer. Next, which of the following corps deals with the supply of weaponry and ammunition to the Indian Army? Option A Army Ordnance Corps, option B Armored Corps, option C Army Supply Corps, option D Corps of EME. So idike answer is Army Ordnance Corps. Next, which of the following is the home base of the aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya? Option A Vishakhapatnam, option B Cochin, option C Karwar, option D Jamnagar. So answer option C Karwar. Next question, at which of the following places is the headquarters of Southwestern Air Command located? Option A Vadodara, option B Jodhpur, option C Pune, option D Gandhinagar. Answer option D Gandhinagar. Next, which of the following is the equivalent rank in Army of the naval rank of captain? Option A Colonel, option B Brigadier, option C Major, option D Captain. Answer is option A Colonel. 14th, who of the following was the Chief of Army at the time of Indo-Pak War of 1971? Option A General P.P. Kumaranangalam, option B Field Marshal SHFJ Manekshaw, option C General J.N. Chanduri, option D General K.S. Timaya. So answer is option B Field Marshal SHFJ Manekshaw. Which of the following was the first aircraft inducted by the Indian Air Force than Royal Indian Air Force in 1932? Option A Tiger Moth, option B Westland Wapati, option C Supermarine Spitfire, option D Fairchild Packet. Answer option B Westland Wapiti. Which of the following joint multinational naval exercise has the participation from the most number of countries? Option A Yodh Abhyas, option B Malabar, option C Milan, option D Shurveer. Answer option C Milan. Next, who of the following was awarded the first recipient of the Param Veer Chakra Gallantry? Option A Lance Naik Albertica, option B Havildar Abdul Hamid, option C Major Saitam Singh, option D Major Somnath Sharma. So answer is option D Major Somnath Sharma. Next question, Daulat Beg Holdia have well-known airstrip of supply of provisions to the armed forces is located in option A Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh, Andaman Island, Sikkim. Answer is Ladakh. Commander Abhilash Tomi of the Indian Navy became the first Indian to complete a sole unassisted non-stop circumnavigation of the world in 2013. What was the name of the vessel used by him? Option A INSV Mandovi, INS Madai, INS Abhimanyu, INS Abai. So answer is INSV Madai. At which of the following places is the Indian National Defence University being set up? Option A Medak, Telangana, option B Amethi, Uttar Pradesh, option C Gurgaon, Haryana, option D Kasaragod, Kerala. So answer is option C Gurgaon, Haryana. At which of the following places is the College of Defence Management located? Option A Dehradun, option B Pune, Secunderabad, Chennai. So answer is Secunderabad. Next question, what was the name given to the operation conducted by National Security Guard in 2008 against terrorist attack in Taj Hotel, Mumbai? So options Operation Black Tornado, Operation Black Thunder, Operation Safat Sagar, option D Operation Vijay. So answer Operation Black Tornado. At which of the following places is the headquarters of a naval command not located? Mumbai, Goa, Kochi, Visakhapatnam. Answer is Goa. On which of the following dates is the Navy Day celebrated in India? January 15th, October 8th, December 4th, February 1st. Answer December 4th. In which year did General Bipin Rawat assume office as the first Chief of Defence Staff of the Indian Armed Forces? 2020, 2021, 2019, 2018. Answer is 2020. Which one among the following is the unit raised to protect the naval assets? Option A Sagar Rakshak Bal, Sagar Suraksha Bal, Sagar Prahari Bal, Sagar Nigrani Bal. Answer is option C Sagar Prahari Bal. Army officers of which country are important training by the Indian Military Training Team? IMTRAT means Indian Military Training Team. Which country? Option A Nepal, option B Bangladesh, Maldives, Bhutan. So answer is Bhutan. Where is the Indian Army's counter insurgency school situated? Kankar, Srinagar, Tezpur, Warrant. So answer option D Warrant. Which of the following is generally considered the largest international maritime military exercise in the world? RIMPAC, Malabar, Poltav's Vostok. So answer is RIMPAC, RIMPAC. What is the name of the commando unit of the Indian Air Force? Option A, Boss Garud Marcos Gatak. Answer, GOR. Next, from which country has Indian procured the Rafale fighter aircrafts? France, United Kingdom, Italy, Switzerland. Answer is France. Next, what is the approximate range of Agni 5 missile? Option A 1000 km, option B 3000 km, option C 5000, option D 10,000 kilometers. Answer is 5000 kilometers. With which country does India conduct exercise Sampriti? Option A France, option B Maldives, option C Bangladesh, option D Nepal. Answer, option C Bangladesh. Next, with which country is the Trident nuclear deterrent associated? Option A USA, option B United Kingdom, option C France, option D Germany. So answer, option B United Kingdom, UK. Next, Sham No Varana is the motto. Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, Coast Guard, CRPF. Answer is Indian Navy. Lamithia is a joint military exercise by India and which other country? Maldives, Latvia, Mauritius, Seychelles. So answer, option D Seychelles. Counter Insurgency and Jungle Warfare School is located in which state? Manipur, Mizoram, Assam, Meghalaya. So answer is Mizoram. So next question, which company manufactured C-17 Globemaster aircraft? Boeing, Airbus, Lockheed Martin, Augusta. So answer, Boeing. Next, Defense Undertaking Gordon Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited has its headquarters at Mumbai, Kolkata, Goa, Kochi. So answer, Kolkata. Which of the following is the first aircraft carrier to be manufactured in India? INS Vikramaditya, INS Virat, INS Vijay, INS Vikrant. So answer, INS Vikrant. So next question, which of the following is a tandem rotor helicopter with the Indian Air Force? HAL Rudra, AH-64 Apache, CH-47 Chinook, MIL Mi-17. So answer, CH-47 Chinook. With which country does India conduct the joint military exercise named Kanjar? Option A Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Bangladesh, Mongolia. So answer, option A Kyrgyzstan. Which of the following does not have a northern command? Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, both B and C. Answer is both B and C, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. What is the name of the helicopter display team of the Indian Air Force? Sarang, Surya Kiran, Thunderbird, Saras. So answer, Sarang. What is the lowest rank of a commissioned officer in the Indian Navy? Second lieutenant, sub lieutenant, lieutenant, first lieutenant. Answer is sub lieutenant. Where is the high altitude warfare school located? Gulmarg, Dalhousie, Wellington, Pitharangar. Answer Gulmarg. Where are the headquarters of Southern Command of India Army located? Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, Thiruvananthapuram. Answer Chennai. Who was the first Indian Chief of Naval Staff to hold the rank of Admiral? Option A. A.K. Chatterjee. Option B. S.M. Nanda, R.D. Katari, B.S. Soman. So answer A.K. Chatterjee. With which country does India conduct the joint military exercise Nomadic Elephant? Mongolia, Thailand, Singapore, Maldives. Answer Mongolia. Where is the Defence Institute of Advanced Technology located? Pune, Vadodara, Wellington, Secunderabad. Answer Pune. Which of the following is a nuclear powered submarine of the Indian Navy? INS Sindhu Ghosh, INS Kalaveri, INS Kursura, INS Chakra. Answer INS Chakra. With which country does India conduct the joint military exercise named SIMBEX? Answer Singapore. Who of the following are referred to as blue helmets? Blue helmets UN peacekeeping soldiers. Answer is UN peacekeeping soldiers. Next, where are the headquarters of Army Training Command located? Dehradun, Mussoorie, Chandigarh, Shimla. So answer Shimla. On what date is the Indian Army Day observed? January 5th, December 4th, September 15th, January 15th. Answer is January. Option D, January 15th. Exercise Iron Fist is related to Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, Coast Guard. Answer is Indian Air Force. With which country does India conduct the joint military exercise Bold Kurukshetra? Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, Japan. Answer Singapore. Where is the Defence Services Staff College located? Roorkee, Dehradun, Pune, Wellington. Answer Wellington. Muntra with respect to defense services is the name of an tank, submarine, missile, aircraft. Answer Muntra is a tank. Last question. AL Naga is a joint military exercise conducted by India and Dash, Qatar, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Oman. So answer Oman. Thank you friends.